Hi, this is Mr. Eden with a video lesson for Year 7's 1.3 addition and subtraction, some mental strategies. So we're going to use our brains to do some calculations and not our calculators. Just a quick reminder to record some important information in your study notes section of your exercise book, and also to stop the video whenever you are required to make some notes or if you are going to do some calculations. So what is addition? Well, addition is the process of finding a total value of two or more numbers, and basically that's called addition. So we have different words for addition. Sometimes we have the word add. We can use the word plus, and also sometimes we use the word sum. So those are all associated with addition. Subtraction, on the other hand, is the difference between two numbers, and we use the number or the words such as minus. We can also use the word subtract, and sometimes you also use the word take away, or the words take away. Now, interestingly, in addition, the order in which you add doesn't really make any difference, and this is called the commutative law for addition. So, for example, if we had 4 plus 3, we could write that exactly the same as 3 plus 4. Okay, or if we had 4 plus 3 plus 2, we could write that as 2 plus 3 plus 4. It doesn't really matter which way around we actually have these at all, because in addition it doesn't matter. We just add them up and we get the same answer. That is called the commutative law for addition. Our first mental strategy is called partitioning, and that is where you group digits in the same position. So if I had the number 171 add 23, what I would do here is I would say, well, I've got only 100, which is in the 171, plus, how many tens have I got? Well, I've got 7 there and I've got 2 there, so that'll be 70 plus 20, plus my 1s now. So it'll be open brackets 1 plus 3. So if I could then work out that that would be 100 plus 70 add 20 would be 90, plus 1 plus 3 is 4. So my answer then would obviously be 194. Alright, well, here's an example for you to do. 138 plus 441. Give that a go. Pause the video. Alright, so how did we actually go? Well, I'm going to have a look at that number there and that number there. Why am I looking at those? Because they are hundreds. So that would be 100 plus 400. Okay, next numbers I'm going to look at is going to be the tens. So I'm going to go plus 30 plus 40. Close my brackets. I'm then going to have a look at those guys there. Plus 8 plus 1 in brackets. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work it all out. So I've got 100 plus 400, I've got 500 plus 30 plus 40 is 70, plus 8 plus 1 is 9, so that gives me 579. Hope you got that one. The next strategy is called compensating. Now, compensating is where you make up amounts to the values of 10 or 100 or 1,000 and so on. Okay, so we'll give an example. So if I had 46 plus 9, I would work that out as 46 plus, if I wasn't sure what that was, that would be a 10 minus 1, yeah? So 46 plus 10 would be 56, take away 1, giving me 55 as my answer. Right, well here's one for you to do. 35 take 11. Pause the video and give it a go. Alright, so how'd we go? So one way to do it would be, say, 35 take 10 and then obviously take another one. So 35 take 10 is easier to work out. It's 25 take 1. So 25 take 1 would be 24. So this strategy is actually just called compensating. Okay, so you're rounding up to the values of tens wherever you can. A third strategy is called doubling or halving. So in this example we've got 75 plus 78. So we know that 75 is easy to work out, 75 plus, but we know 78 can go to 75 plus another 3. And we know that 75 is 150 plus 3, giving us 153. Right, well here's one for you to do. 240 subtract 121. The key is here, have a look at that 240 and think about what you could do with the 240 to help you solve the problem. Put the video on pause and give it a go. So how did you go? Well, 240 could actually be written as 120 add 120. Yeah? Subtract 121. So we're going to make the 121 120. Subtract 120, subtract 1. So we're going to end up having this one and this one cancel each other out. So what have you got left? We've got 120 plus, subtract 1. So 120 subtract 1 gives us 119. So there you go, a couple of mental strategies for addition and subtraction. Hope you can use them.